What up guys, Retro Django here. Pinsound delivers again. Rocket CPU. This is for the WPC 95. Another great product from Pinsound. I love this company. This is so awesome. Look at this, guys. I have been doing this for 20 years. How many Medieval Madness scared stiff I have bought with CPU boards with battery issues, those leaky batteries just destroying everything. And this is just a cheap, high quality, very simple, very easy solution. As I said, you can buy it with the ASIC chip also. So you just need to take your game ROM out and put it up here, guys. It's plug and play. It's high quality. Love y'all. See you on the next video, guys. Retro Django out. Peace.